Hey, it's JP with Central Idaho Mountain Weather. It's December 7th, 2023. Looking at the 24-hour boards, we picked up a lot of rain yesterday here overnight in China Gardens, about 2/10 of an inch. Looks like Soldier picked up rain, half an inch. Moores Creek, 4/10 of an inch, and Stanley about a half an inch. So those are all rain. And then as we go further north, Ketchum looked like we got a trace maybe this morning when temperatures fell up towards Titus. Looking at 3.5 inches. They were predicting 8 to 12 inches, so definitely a lot less than what we were expecting. It came in pretty heavy. It's at Titus, that's 11% density, so it's definitely heavier snow than we're normally used to. So one of the things I'm going to be trying to do is kind of looking back at what happened yesterday, or what we got based on yesterday's forecast, and seeing if it actually aligned or not. So looking at current radar, there's definitely some snow happening up in the Stanley region. We'll take a look at the webcams here in a second, but most of it is to the south of us. So we have snow up at Smiley Creek and at the hatchery, and then kind of everywhere else, it's not snowing anymore. So let's look at what the models were supposed to be, what's supposed to be happening right now. So you can see it should be doing some kind of precip right now, looking at the HRRR forecast. So looking at the current radar with the models, if they aren't in alignment, it means the storm's doing something different. So it happened faster than expected and it's already blown by us, or that blob of moisture is just in a different area. And so I think what happened here is that it just drifted further south. All these kind of heavier bands that were supposed to be over us right now drifted further to the south when that cold front came through. So these are all little micro things that happened in the big scale of front systems that are coming through, and flows that are really going to lay down snow here versus there. And a lot of that has to do with topography and changing temperatures. So last night we had, if the temperatures dropped a lot quicker, we'd have a lot more snow widespread on the ground. For China Gardens, 2/10 of an inch would equate to a few inches of snow if it was colder. So anyway, that's a little rundown. I'm hoping to do a little bit more in-depth analysis over the coming weeks, just still kind of putting it all together.